Language sources are reference material that help in understanding the meaning, origin, pronunciation, and usage of words. Which of the following is a language source? That is dictionary. A thesaurus is a language source that provides synonyms and antonyms. Which of these is not a functional of a dictionary? Listing historical events. Language sources are important for writers, translators, editors, and the researchers. Which is the most authoritative historical dictionary of the English language? That is Oxford English Dictionary. Which dictionary provides pronunciation using IPA? Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary. A bilingual dictionary provides words and meaning in two different languages. Which of the following is an example of a thesaurus? That is Roget's Thesaurus. A dictionary that gives the origin and history of words is called as the etymological dictionary. Multilingual dictionary helps users translate between multiple languages. A rhyming dictionary is useful for the poets and lyricians. Language sources in libraries are kept in the reference section, which is a well-known online dictionary, that is Merriam-Webster online dictionary. Which of the following provides multilingual thesaurus for LIS? UNESCO Thesaurus. Language sources support academic writing and formal communication. Which mobile app offers dictionary and language learning support? Duolingo. A dictionary is usually arranged alphabetically. Which source provide a list of abbreviation and acronyms? That is abbreviation dictionary. A specialized dictionary focus on particular subject like law, medicine, or science. What does IPA stand for in dictionary? International Phonetic Alphabet. Language sources are used in LIS for reference service and user education. The Longman Dictionary is based known for the Simple English Dictionary for learners. Collocations in a dictionary refer to words commonly used together. A learner's dictionary is best suited for the language learner and school students. Which language source supports spelling, grammar, and uses? That is, uses manual or style guide. A dictionary that includes illustration to explain meaning is called pictorial dictionary. A dictionary of quotation includes notable sayings by famous personalities. Language sources help reduce ambiguity and miscommunication in the writing. Which of the following is a freely accessible multilingual lexical database? That is WorldNet. Geographical sources provide information about locations, places, maps, and physical features. Which of the following is a geographical source? That is Atlas. The main function of a geographical source is offer spatial, physical, and cultural information of the location. Which geographical source contains place names with the description? That is Gazetteer. The Matic map shows population, rainfall, literacy, etc. Which of the following is a national atlas of the India? The Times Atlas of the World is an example of a world atlas. A gazetteer gives a description of geographic features and places. Which of the following is a geographical information tool? GIS. The census of India includes maps and geographical boundaries. Atlases are arranged thematically or geographical. A relief map shows elevation and landforms. Which source helps find the capital of a country? Atlas or Gazetteer. Which is a digital geographical reference tool? Google Earth. Topographic map shows physical feature and elevation in detail. Geographical sources are kept in the reference section. LIS professionals use geographical source to answer location-based reference question. The Survey of India is responsible for mapping and geospatial data. Remote sensing is used to collect data about Earth's surface and using satellites. Which Indian institution publishes the National Atlas? NATMO, that is National Atlas and Thematic Mapping Organization. Modern Atlas includes interactive and multimedia features. Digital geographical sources offer real-time updates and satellite views. The CIA World Factbook provides country profiles and maps. An environmental atlas shows climate, vegetation, and biodiversity. Which government portal offers Indian mapping services? That is FUAN. Geographical source helps in planning, teaching, and research in geography. Which of these is not a geographical source? Roget's thesaurus. Cartographer is one who designs and draws maps. Geographical sources are especially useful for researchers, travelers, and policymakers. In LIS, geographical sources are categorized under reference sources. Thank you.